PowerPoint Day 1. Hello everyone! Today I'm going to tell you that how we can create a PowerPoint presentation or PPT in a Windows 10 PC. So let's start. But firstly, you should know that a PowerPoint is software designed to create electronic presentations consisting of a series of separate pages or slides. How to create a PowerPoint presentation. First way is step 1. Click on the search button just right to the start button. Step 2. Search PowerPoint and click on it. Step 3. Select the type of PowerPoint you want to make and click on Create. Let's watch a video to understand it. Here, I'm searching PowerPoint. And I'm clicking on it. You can also press Enter instead of clicking. And here it opened. Now I'm selecting the PPT called Color Swatch and clicking on Create. So it'll automatically be named Color Swatch. How to create a PowerPoint presentation. Second way. Step 1. Right-click on Main Screen. Step 2. Click on New and then click on PowerPoint Presentation. Step 3. Click on Enter key in your keyboard. You can also click anywhere else instead of clicking on the Enter key in your keyboard. Let's watch a video to understand it. Here I'm right-clicking and going to New. In New option, I find New Microsoft PowerPoint Presentation. And now I just click somewhere and I double-click on it. It'll automatically be named New Microsoft PowerPoint Presentation. Thank you!